Hey Tritons! Welcome back to the Commuter Student to Commuter Student video series. This video will be mainly covering all the websites and applications you'll need for the best trip possible.
Many students use both public and on-campus transportation to get around. There are two really beneficial apps you'll want to have so you can have a successful trip. First, you'll want to download the UC San Diego mobile app and the Compass Cloud app on your phone.
The UC San Diego app is a great resource for UC San Diego students. It provides important information like your UC San Diego student ID, class schedules, news, and more.
The UC San Diego app also has really important transportation information like shuttle arrivals based on location and parking availability. If you're looking to take the shuttle, use your UC San Diego app to find out when the shuttle is arriving, and make sure to show your UC San Diego ID if asked by the driver.
The Compass Cloud app is an app that you can use to access the U-Pass. The U-Pass is included in your quarterly tuition every quarter you enrolled at UC San Diego. This includes regional transportation. If you'd like to learn more about the U-Pass and its restrictions and how to use it, go to transportation.ucsd.edu under Alternatives, Public Transit, and U-Pass.
All UC San Diego students receive an email at the beginning of the quarter notifying them of their transit benefit. To redeem your transit benefit, simply make an account on Compass Cloud app using your @ucsd.edu email. If you use a different email, you won't be able to view your benefit, so make sure you use the @ucsd.edu one. Thank you for watching this video on transportation applications.